This video is a general overview of Iowa Learns, the State Library of Iowa's Education Academy. You'll use Iowa Learns to keep track of your endorsement, any courses you've enrolled in, and in the CE hours you've earned. Log in with your username and password on this screen. Follow the prompts to reset your password if needed. You'll need to know your username and the email address you enrolled with to successfully reset a password. Contact the CE consultant or your district LRT if you need assistance. Once logged in, you'll see the Overview tab. Here, you can print your transcript to see hours earned, including those earned towards the maintenance of your endorsement, access the Zoom link for a live online course, access a course evaluation, or launch and complete a Webinar Archives course. If you're having difficulty with any of these tasks, check out the more in-depth tutorials on our YouTube channel. Your Profile tab will display the information you provided when you created your account. This information is only visible to you and the Iowa Learns support team. This is what the State Library will use to print and mail your Director Endorsement Certificate, if that's applicable to you, or get in touch with you about any coursework or account issues. Also on your profile, you can view information about your endorsements, including when they expire. You'll find that information on the Certifications tab. Find new courses to enroll in on the Search tab. You can search on a variety of facets or browse the full list of courses. There is a more in-depth tutorial on some of the advanced search features if you're interested. Find it on our YouTube channel. Once you find a course of interest, click Details, Enroll Self. And click Enroll one more time to see the course added to your My Task list on the Overview tab. Watch for the confirmation message at the top to see you've been enrolled in the course. Head back to the Overview tab to launch the course, recording, or access the Zoom link. A Webinar Archives course will have a launch logo. In-person classroom courses will display ILT for instructor-led training. Online classroom courses will display Conference. It can take a couple of minutes for the conference link to appear. Try refreshing or logging out and logging back in if you don't see it right away. When it is time for your Zoom course, you can click that conference link to be taken straight to the Zoom room. Next tab on our tour is the Help tab. It contains some generic information about LearnSoft, our learning management system provider. Finally, the Resources tab includes some state library specific links and help guides. Feel free to reach out to the CE consultant or your district LRT for additional assistance with Iowa Learns.